Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. Today, Miss Wheeler and I wanted to introduce the Endangered Species Awareness Project that we are going to be working on basically up until winter break starts on the 23rd, I want to say, because yes, we do go to school on the 21st and the 22nd. So this project is part of our ecology unit. We've learned a lot about ecosystems and the energy pyramid, and how ecosystems get affected both by biotic and abiotic factors. So now we're going to research a specific animal to see how its well-being affects the ecosystem that it lives in. And because you guys are already learning about the Amazon rainforest in social studies, we are going to be looking at endangered species in the Amazon rainforest. So this project is a two-part project. The first part is research, and the second part is to design a sticker. So this upcoming week, the week of the 14th through the 18th, we are going to be working on research. Well, half of the week. And then the second half, we'll be working on our actual sticker design and then finishing up that sticker design on the 21st and the 22nd. But we will also have time all during break to finish this because it won't be due until we get back from winter break in January. So let's walk through this slideshow, which will be available in Google Classroom as well under the classwork tab. So this first video is about endangered species and specifically the Endangered Species Act and what it is. So you'll have to watch that on your own today. Make sure you do that. All right, what is it? So our project, we can pick from 4 different endangered species. Only those 4. You cannot pick something else, just the ones that I share with you. And actually, there's 5, not 4, so I'll fix that. Okay, research the reasons why they are endangered and how has their ecosystem changed, and then use data to inspire people or companies to make a change through a sticker campaign. All right, so you can see the animals below: a jaguar, a macaw, an Amazon river dolphin, a black spider monkey, or a poison dart frog. Whichever animal you choose today, this link takes you to information about it from World Wildlife Fund, and then the other link will take you to a video about your animal, and you need to look at both of those things today for your animal, the article and the video. Okay, research requirements. You're going to collect 5 facts to answer each question. Why is the animal endangered? How did the animal become endangered? And what can be done to protect the animal? Other requirements, all your research has to be written in your own words. I do not want to see things copied and pasted from the internet into your notes. You need to copy it over, type it yourself, please. Please include the name of the website at the end of the fact, not the URL. So for example, a website is worldwildlife.org. That's what I want. I do not want to see this long pasted URL, okay? Just the website. Failure to do either of these things will result in an F on this project. Really important that you remember to do these things. And you're going to have lots of reminders, but you need to remember to check that. So these are the different websites that you can use for research. There's also videos. There's also a virtual field trip of the Amazon rainforest. We do not want you to use any other websites other than the ones listed here. You can also gather facts from the videos. So once you find your fact, you're going to write it right on this slideshow. This slideshow will make its own copy for you in Google Classroom so that you can write all your facts there, and then remember to put the name of the website at the end of the fact. And remember, do not copy paste, type it over. So there's one slide for each research question that you have to do. This needs to be completed by next, I would say, Wednesday morning. We're going to be working on our research Monday and Tuesday in science, depending on which day you have science. So this should be done by the end of the day on Tuesday or Wednesday morning. And we are really giving you all of class time next week to work on this. And you can also work on it today to kind of get a head start. And then we will be starting to talk about the design portion, the sticker designing portion of our project on Wednesday and Thursday of next week, the 16th and the 17th. And I think that is all. So just to recap, watch the video on slide 2 about the Endangered Species Act. Pick an animal, look at the article, watch the video, and then complete your 3 research slides. Make sure you are typing over in your own typing and adding the website at the end. Make sure you are only researching from the websites listed. Reach out to your science teacher through email if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a great weekend.